area for the screw compressor assembly line.
Okay.
So the compressor is in cast iron. There are 2 screws inside. The line is divided in 3 big bench, 3 big posts with preparing body and body.
Polishing,
finishing.
Yeah.
For example, you have a B200, the small one of our compressor, and you can see the small screw inside. It's like this. So the air go by here and go back. It's the outlet.
The outlet, okay.
So it's turn on.
Okay.
But the screw turn about 20,000 tour by minute.
Oh,
So it's very
20,000 turns a minute. Okay.
20, tac, tac, tac.
Right, 20,000.
Yeah.
Okay. 20,000 turns a minute.
Yeah. So it's very.
Yeah, when they start these things up, it just screams like it's loud as hell.
There are a lot of noise.